talking to Papa? What are you talking about? Dribbling. You're dribbling. What are you talking about? No bib. He's telling you, take off that hat. I don't like hats.
So funny.
Oh my God. Such a copycat. Go ahead, Papa, you do it.
You are
Dad,
unbelievable.
you do it.
Ready?
Now baby. Did you ever?
He is unbelievable.
Okay, Papa, your turn.
My turn?
Danny's turn. Oh my God, it's a... How old are you? 7 months old. Talking to Papa. You know, you're training him to be a caveman. Talk to him normally, he'll answer you.
No, you'll be shocked.
Uh-oh, see? He said uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
You hear him? Oh, there goes that tongue. Goo.
Oh my God, it goes like that. Look how excited he is.
Let's hear Papa begin.
You're too
You
much.
talking to Papa? Where's your daddy?
Oh God, it's so funny. All right, listen.
All right, bye-bye.
I gotta go home.
Say bye-bye.
Take what you need for tonight so I can bring the bag home.
Bye.
April
Bye.
20 listen, April 25th.